Hello everyone, today we will unbox the new Samsung A36. Let's see. Brand new from Samsung Singapore. Some cards. Let's unbox. Wrapping paper. What do we get? "25-watt power adapter without cable, just the adapter." And we have our A36 5G. Peel to open. Brand new, as you can see. I got it at around 429 SGD, and it's white in color. You can see the reflection. Yeah, it's fingerprint magnet. You see, stick to some fingerprint. As usual, we get some cable and SIM pin, but I don't see any cover. Let's power it on. Nice. Press and hold. There you go. It's quite thin, yeah. Look at the camera. 3. But it's not individual, it's connected. It's similar to the A56, but this is plastic. So for A56 is metal. But other than that, it's still same. Not bad. The feeling is quite good. You hold on your phone. It's very thin. And as usual, you wouldn't get your micro SD. You can only get 2 SIM card. And your PowerPoint. There you go. New. Alright, let's look at the main screen, the home screen. The scrolling is quite smooth, butter smooth. Alright, let's test the camera. Not bad. A bit laggy, but because I think it's just boot up. Look at the zoom. 10 times zoom. And then there's a 0.5. Overall, it's not bad. This phone, I really like the color, the white. It's reflecting. Actually, it's not bad now. After the phone warm up, you can't really see the fingerprint. But when you are in cold place, you can see the fingerprint. Overall, it's a good buy. And if you've got the budget, you can actually go for a higher spec. But for this, it's actually quite good already. Yeah. And the thickness wise, actually it's quite comparable to my iPad. Look at the thickness. Almost the same. Yeah, so feels good on your hand. So if you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe.